Signal arrowheads, or as we like to call them, whistling arrowheads. Here we're gonna see dry fit or preparation for glue up. We're gonna use bamboo shafts, which is easiest to use since it already have the hole in the middle. Make sure your steel arrowhead fits nicely and that your bamboo shaft is about 8 millimeters. Since arrowheads are well sealed with the lacquer, make sure to rough off surface in order to prepare it for glue up. And of course, make sure that everything fits. Snug fit is desirable. Steel arrowhead will protect your signal arrowhead upon impact and make sure everything is aligned properly.